If you are trying to install an app on your Android device and you get a notification that is blocked, that it cannot be installed because of the security of your Android, this video walks you through on how to bypass this once you're sure of the application and install it successfully. First is to swipe up on the screen of your Android and get to the Play Store application, okay? Because that is the app in charge of app installation on your Android. So tap on Play Store. Once you get to your Play Store, the next step you need to take is to tap on your profile icon, which appears at the top right. Once you tap there, you will see your email address at the top as well as your name. What you need to do next is to tap on Play Protect. On tapping on Play Protect, you will see some options here. You can see no harmful apps found. Alright? Then tap on the settings icon, which is at the top right. On tapping on settings icon, you'll be taken to this page. You will see the general option. Okay? You will see that place you have scan apps with Play Protect. Tap on that button for it to be toggled off. Then you'll be taken to this page. You can either tap on pause for it to be paused for some time, or you tap on turn off. In this case, look, let's go with turn off. Then put your fingerprint or face and the Play Protect is turned off. But please, if you are not sure of the app you're about installing, maybe the health status of the app, don't go on installing it. Alright, but if you are sure that that app will not cause any harm to your phone, go on and install it. You can check out this video here to learn how to complete some tasks on Android. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.